B. I am happy. He is running. Have. I have a car. She has a new job. Say. She said hello to me. He said he would be late. Go. We go to the park every weekend. They went to the beach yesterday. Can. I can swim. She can play the guitar. Get. He gets up early in the morning. I got a new phone yesterday. Make. They make their own clothes. I made a cake for my sister's birthday. Open. Don't open your eyes yet. Open your books at page 22. Want. I want to go to the movies tonight. They want a bigger house. Look. She looks happy today. He looks tired. Like. He really likes her. Most kids like playing computer games. Listen. Do listen to the music. She does all the talking, I just sit and listen. Eat. We usually eat in the kitchen. Who ate all the cake? Dream. Last night I dreamed that I was flying. I dream of living on a desert island. Buy. I went out to buy some milk. He bought me a camera for my birthday. Believe. Do you believe him? I can't believe that she wants to go out with me. Agree. I agree with you. They agreed to meet on Sunday. Ask. Can I ask you a few questions? I asked him about his hobbies. Close. Jane closed the window. Lie down and close your eyes. Come. Can you come to my party? She came in the evening. Accept. He won't accept advice from anyone. Do you accept credit cards? Add. Add the eggs to the cream. He added some water to his glass. Call. Has anyone called the police? I want to call the baby Alex. Delete. Delete his name from the list. All names have been deleted from the report. Do. What are you doing this weekend? What does she do? No. How old is she? I don't know. He knew that she was lying. Play. You play tennis, don't you, Sam? Tim was playing the piano. Live. They live in New York. I hope I live to see my grandchildren. Swim. I'm going swimming. She swam to the shore. Read. What was the last book you read? I've been reading about John F. Kennedy.